right, your contested hearing is going to be November 10th. Probation, contested hearing on Mr. Escalante, Jose Escalante, November 10th. No problem.
Whoa, we're jumping right into court with Judge Kelly Green presiding. Keep an eye on this one. The tone in her courtroom can flip fast. And remember, a contested hearing means both sides are about to clash over the facts.
And state you'll need to be prepared to have your witnesses present.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court is calling 2024 CR 1359 State versus Jose Escalante. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Melissa Albin for the state.
Raymond Martinez for Mr. Escalante.
All right, and are you Mr. Escalante?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
And we're here for a bond issue, is that correct?
Yes.
All right, and state, have you had a chance to confer with the defense on the request for a bond?
Yes, Your Honor. We're recommending $30,000.
All right, and defense, do you have witnesses? I believe you were going to call him.
Just him.
Okay. All right, could you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Bond hearing time. This is where the judge decides if the defendant can go home while waiting for trial, and how much it'll cost. Think of it as freedom on layaway. But one wrong word can send the price skyrocketing.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Jose Escalante.
All right, you may proceed, counsel.
Mr. Escalante, first question is, how long have you been in jail?
Up
Roughly.
approximately a week and a half.
And at the time that you were arrested, were you working?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what were you doing for work?
Mambo's Seafood.
And what was your job title then?
Dishwasher, maintenance.
Hourly rate?
$13.50 an hour.
Did you report your probation? Have you been reporting probation up until the time you got arrested?
Yes. I've been doing everything I've been supposed to be doing.
We'll get into that the next segment. But they've seen you recently.
Yes.
They've tested you recently.
Yes.
Okay. Is there an immediate need for you to get out on bond?
Yes.
You can tell the judge what that is.
I just had my beautiful daughters born. My two twins. They're twins that were just born.
This month.
Yes.
And we're
Oh man, here it comes, personal stakes. He's about to reveal why he needs bond so badly. Backhand index pointing right. What do you think? Should family reasons sway the judge's decision, or should the law stay firm regardless? Drop your thoughts below.
They're in the NICU right now.
And so would you like to be able to spend time with them and make sure they're okay and help their mother, even though you've got this issue pending?
Yes, sir. It'll be a blessing.
Okay. And at the time you got arrested, did you have money saved in the bank? Was it difficult to even come up with a little bit that you did come up with to get you in front of the judge today to request a bond?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then you're gonna have to scramble to figure out a way to post a bond if she sets one for you?
Yes.
Okay.
And I still have my job there at Mambo's Seafood.
How long had you been there?
A few weeks.
Okay. And is that the first job you had in a while?
No. Yes, sir. No, sir.
So what were you doing before that?
I was doing my own self-business tattooing.
Okay. And so that's still available as well?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you and the mother are living together?
Yes, sir.
Good terms?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if the judge set the bond at $12,000, do you think you could possibly come up with that?
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
Just a couple. Mr. Escalante, I know you're not pleading true to anything at this time, and that's fine. But at the time of the new arrest that's just alleged in the MTR, were you working?
Yes.
And at the time of the allegations that are in the MTR, was your significant other pregnant?
Yeah.
Yes, she was pregnant, so that was before the babies were born.
Can you repeat that again?
She was pregnant on the day that you were arrested for this new number one that's alleged on October 14th.
No, ma'am. We're going back and forth from the hospital for the NICU.
So the kids were already born
Yes,
when
ma'am.
this happened?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Nothing further, Your Honor.
All right, I just have a few questions. So in the past, have you ever used any type of controlled substance?
Never?
In the past. Oh, but yes. The past.
There it is, the moment that changes everything. A past cocaine admission isn't a small detail. It tells the court there's a history of risk. And trust me, judges remember patterns more than promises.
All right, and in the past, what would that have been?
Xanax.
And what else?
Yes. Cocaine.
I'm sorry, what?
Cocaine. I apologize.
All right, and I think the last time you were here, you were saying you were going to go in the military and have your tattoos removed because they did it for free.
Yes, ma'am. And I was doing all that and everything like that. I had went to the recruiting office on military, and I was talking to my probation officer, and my probation officer told me to wait on that because she was going to go and conversate with him and further look into it, because when I went and told them how you gave me the permission and everything like that, they tried to tell me, oh, well, you got to go to a different batch because the quota that they met was already over with, so I had to start the quota over in November when they start the new quota, and then they'll be able to accept me and further everything else.
Classic courtroom dance. The "any objections?" moment. Lawyers often object just to keep the record clean, even if they know the judge will overrule them. It's like saying, I know I'll lose, but I'm not going down quiet.
Gave me that chance, and I took off and I ran with it, Your Honor, and I was doing everything I was supposed to be doing.
Your Honor, may I say something?
Yes.
Normally on a motion to set bond, I would offer you the police report of the new offense, but the court summary summarizes it, so I was just going to ask if the court would like to see that to understand the circumstances of the new allegations.
Any objection?
Bond hearing judge, so you're allowed to look.
No, I'm just, any objections?
I do object, but I understand also the rules allow it, so
Yes.
May I approach?
I don't look silly objecting to something.
No. I always tell people to do an objection.
And there it is, $40,000 bond. That's a tough climb, especially after he just said he's barely scraping by. But the GPS order shows the judge still sees a sliver of trust. Backhand index pointing right. Was this fair? Should the newborn twins have factored in more compassion? Or is the judge just playing it safe?
Because my understanding is that this is a summary of what someone read, and it's not necessarily the police report.
I was prepared and I'm going to make the FTR work the ways before the court now, so I'm going to be responding to it.
All right. Is there anything else?
Very well.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to set your bond at $40,000. There's to be partial GPS for employment and medical appointments, waive GPS fees. There's to be no residing in household with minors. And there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. All right, thank you.
Will that partial allow him to go visit the kid?